Hey there, students! Whether you're cramming for finals, learning a new language, or just trying to remember your grocery list, you've probably wondered, why is it so hard to make things stick in your memory? Ever find yourself reading a page, maybe even highlighting it, and then instantly forgetting what you just saw? It's like your brain hit the delete button the moment you turn the page. Me too. It's a super common problem, and it can be really frustrating. But what if I told you there's a super simple way to remember things better starting right now? No fancy apps, no expensive tutors, just you and your voice. Here's the trick. Don't just read it. Say it out loud. Seriously, speak those facts, vocab words, or even your grocery list. It might feel a little weird at first, but trust me, there's real science behind it. Here's why it works. When you read something quietly, only one part of your brain lights up. But when you say it out loud, boom, suddenly your brain is buzzing. Your voice, your ears, even your muscles all kick in. Audio, motor, language centers all fired up at once. That means what you're learning gets encoded deeper and sticks with you longer. It's like your brain is building a web of connections, making it way easier to pull up that info later. Scientists call this the production effect. When you produce information by speaking it, you're not just passively taking it in, you're actively creating a memory. This extra effort tells your brain, hey, this is important, let's save it for later. Let's break it down. Speaking out loud triggers 3 things. First, your voice box and mouth start moving. That's muscle memory. Your body is literally helping your brain remember. Second, your ears hear your own voice. That's auditory feedback. You're not just seeing the words, you're hearing them too. That's double the input for your brain to process. And third, your brain processes language. That's mental power. You're engaging your mind in a deeper way, making the information more meaningful and memorable. These 3 brain systems overlap and create a super strong connection to what you're learning. This is called multi-sensory encoding. Trust me, it's like giving your memory a giant upgrade. The more senses you use, the more likely you are to remember. So how do real people use this? Students prepping for big exams, they read their notes out loud. Some even record themselves and listen back later, turning their study sessions into mini podcasts. You can walk around your room, reciting facts, or even teach the material to an imaginary audience. The more you say it, the more it sticks. It's like practicing a speech. The more you rehearse, the more natural it feels. Language learners repeat new words again and again. They don't just read vocabulary lists. They say the words, use them in sentences, and even sing them in songs. This helps lock in pronunciation and meaning. Even actors memorize their lines by speaking them, not just reading. Picture this. One student studies by whispering facts, while another just reads silently. Fast forward, the one who spoke out loud remembers way more. Your mouth isn't just for talking, it's a powerful memory tool. And it works for everyone, not just students. Professionals, athletes, and even musicians use this trick to master new skills. Alright, here's your action step. Next time you study or want to remember anything, say it out loud. Don't be shy, even if you're just repeating a tricky term or a phone number. Later, when you need that info, you'll be surprised how fast it pops back into your mind. Try it with your to-do list, your next presentation, or even your favorite quotes. So, say it again. Out loud, let your brain do its best work. The more you practice, the easier it gets, and soon you'll find yourself remembering things you used to forget. Give yourself credit for every little thing you remember. Each time you speak out loud, you're building a stronger, smarter brain. It's a simple habit that can make a huge difference in your learning and your life. If you're going to try this trick today, hit that like button, subscribe for more brain hacks, and drop a comment. What's the last thing you remembered just because you said it out loud? I'm curious. Thanks for watching and happy studying.